Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be learning from 1 to 15 and we will be tracing all these numbers one by one with different colors. Let us get started with color name. This is yellow color. This is black color. This is dark blue color. This is dark green color. This is light blue color. This is red color. This is purple color. This is brown color. This is dark pink color. This is light green color. This is orange color. Let's get started with numbers. This is 1. 1. This is 2. 2. This is 3. 3. This is 4. 4. This is 5. 5. This is 6. 6. This is 7. 7. This is 8. 8. This is 9. 9. This is 10. 10. This is 11. 11. This is 12. 12. This is 13. 13. This is 14. 14. This is 15. 15. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. We will be reading it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you kids for writing these with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.